हाय एवरीबॉडी, होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग ग्रेट और स्वागत है इस नए वीडियो में। आज है 31st ऑफ अक्टूबर एंड इट इज़ 9:45 AM। सो आज मैं 7:30 AM को उठ गया था। आई गॉट अ गुड अमाउंट ऑफ साउंड स्लीप। कल शाम में फुटबॉल भी खेला था। सो when you exercise, I think before dinner or do a little bit of walking after dinner, I think your quality of sleep improves. So anyways, I got good quality sleep. I got up early in the morning. उसके बाद थोड़ा सा रीडिंग करके आई हैड माई ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए मैंने खाए 3 whole fried eggs along with 1 slice of cheese and 4 slices of whole wheat bread. So, and yes, I had a cup of tea as well. So breakfast was really tasty, really good. And आजकल मैं सुबह उठते ही आई एम कंज्यूमिंग 1 glass of warm water. So इससे काफ़ी सारे बेनिफिट्स होते हैं। एक तो आप जब मतलब व्हेन यू गेट अप, जो कहते हैं कि टू हैव अबाउट अ लीटर और हाफ अ लीटर ऑफ वाटर इन द मॉर्निंग, इट्स सो दैट यू फ्लश आउट ऑल द टॉक्सिन्स फ्रॉम योर बॉडी एंड ऑफ कोर्स योर बॉडी गेट्स हाइड्रेटेड एज वेल. सो वो सारे बेनिफिट्स तो होते ही है. प्लस आई थिंक हैविंग वार्म वाटर इज़ क्वाइट सूदिंग. एंड अगर टेम्परेचर थोड़ा लो है, लाइक यूर इट्स रेनिंग और अभी विंटर्स आने वाले हैं, सो इट्स लाइक वार्म वाटर के बहुत बेनिफिट्स है फॉर योर थ्रोट एंड ओवरऑल फॉर योर बॉडी. बट जो भी क्लेम्स ऑफ फैट लॉस एंड ऑल, आई डोंट बिलीव इन दैट, बिकॉज फैट लॉस के लिए यू जस्ट हैव टू बी इन अ कैलोरी डेफिसिट, focus on your protein, focus on movement, step goals, lift heavy and get good sleep. But anyways, so अभी मैं निकलने वाला हूँ जिम के लिए एंड आई थॉट दैट आई रिकॉर्ड दिस इंट्रो सेगमेंट बिफोर आई लीव फॉर द जिम. तो जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं प्रीवियस मेरे जो वीडियोज़ हैं, आई हैव बीन अपलोडिंग इट क्वाइट कंसिस्टेंटली एंड द लास्ट 4 videos were my training split. So my training split used to be a 4-day split, that is chest, shoulders, back, legs and arms. Abhi, as you all know that I got injured in June while playing football. मेरा जो नी है थोड़ा सा स्प्रेन हो गया था. MCL का जो पोर्शन है दैट got sprained, that is the inner portion of the knee. So it took some time to recover. The straight movements जो है, जैसे कि squats where your knee is bending in a straight manner, है ना, walking, jogging, तो वो काफ़ी जल्दी recover हो गया था. Jogging and running took some time. I could walk after a few weeks and I could do squats and leg extension, all of those movements. Hamstring के movements में थोड़ा सा difficulty था for say about 2 months, and I could jog after 2.5 months sprint actually. But now I am kind of fully recovered and वो बचा हुआ 5% या 10% जो है, I think that will happen after say 3 to 4 weeks. But however, since I enjoy playing sports, especially football, I decided that I have to change my training split, because if I want to play a sport regularly like football, which is very explosive, I cannot just train like a bodybuilder in the gym. So the thing is कि जो मेरा 4-day split है, which is a pure normal bodybuilding split, उसके बाद एक दिन मैंने ऐड किया हूँ मेरे split में, and on that day, that is today, which is the 5th day of the training split, I'll be doing plyometrics, mobility and functional. So इसमें सब कुछ कवर हो जाता है. बेसिकली आई विल बी वर्किंग मोर ऑन माई लेग स्ट्रेंथ, ऑन माई एक्सप्लोसिवनेस, ऑन माई कोर स्ट्रेंथ, ऑन रेंज ऑफ मोशन, फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी, मोबिलिटी, यू नो. एंड फंक्शनल ट्रेनिंग जो है उतने एक्सरसाइजेस नहीं करूँगा, बिकॉज a lot of those exercises we are already doing in our bodybuilding workout. So this 5th day I'll be focusing more on explosivity, I'll be focusing more on plyometrics, on and इसका अगर मैं simply आपको मतलब समझाऊँ, so functional means those exercises which help you with your day-to-day functions and activities. राइट. अभी वो जैसे कि इफ़ यू वांट टू जस्ट पिक अप अ बैग एंड पुट इट ऑन टॉप ऑफ अ कबर्ड, तो अभी वो सारे एक्सरसाइजेज, यू नो, अ लॉट ऑफ देम गेट कवर्ड इन योर नॉर्मल वर्कआउट, लाइक शोल्डर प्रेस हो गया, स्क्वाट्स हो गया, डेड लिफ्ट्स हो गए, ये सारी चीज़ें. So functional के कुछ कुछ exercises है which I will do. Then mobility usually includes dynamic and static stretching. Hip mobility जो हम कहते हैं. Then your mobility for shoulders, that is for your rotator cuffs. All those exercises, क्योंकि mobility के वजह से your flexibility increases because it's in a way stretching the muscles in your body, and उसके वजह से your range of motion increases. And plyometrics, which is really important for me, उसका मतलब ये है that you are working towards your explosivity, your little bit of leg strength as well, and mainly you can say that you're working to increase the your agility and power and explosivity, especially of the lower body. अभी upper body के भी कुछ उसमें workouts होते हैं, but plyometrics means it is for the lower body. And so yeah, I mean to increase explosivity, a lot of players do a little bit of upper body movements as well, but we'll get to that after a few workouts, because पहले मैं सिर्फ beginner workouts करने वाला हूँ on plyometrics and mobility and functional. So the main reason of doing these workouts, if I put it in a nutshell, is so that I can improve my overall fitness to play properly and perform well in, say, a football match without getting injured. So अभी क्या है, बॉडी बिल्डिंग जो है, वी आर यूजुअली ट्रेनिंग फॉर अ लुक, फॉर एस्थेटिक्स, बट इन दिस काइंड ऑफ ट्रेनिंग दैट इज फंक्शनल plyometrics, you are basically training for ability, for performance. So ये ट्रेनिंग बहुत ज़रूरी है, especially if you are 5 years, 10 years into the gym, into training, into lifting weights. Functional is really important, and I feel even plyometrics is important, because otherwise you are doing the same kind of workout. तो वो भी एक चीज़ है कि थोड़ा सा boring भी हो सकता है, but that's fine. But more importantly, if you like playing sports but you go to the gym and do a bodybuilding workout only, you have high chances that number one, you might not perform really well, and number two, in the games, in the sports, and number two is you have quite a high chance that you might even get some injuries, especially अगर आप बहुत agile नहीं हो. मतलब it depends, some bodybuilders and some people in the gym have a good proper stretching routine, like they have a proper warm-up routine, but usually मैं देखता हूँ, including me sometimes, I just go in the gym, I do a very small warm-up, and then I warm up on the dumbbells or on the set which I'm going to perform, on the exercise I'm going to perform, उसके ही कुछ warm-up sets करके I go into my main set. So I feel that that all is fine till you are just lifting, but then when you are going into playing a sport, थोड़ा सा you need to work on agility and on movement in different directions, so ये सारी चीज़ें हैं. And plus I am also doing a lot of walking, a lot of running. अभी 10k steps is not very little. Sometimes I do dedicated 10k steps. That means besides whatever number of steps मेरे दिन में हो गए, I go for my evening walk and I make sure कि मैं 10k steps complete किया हूँ. Point being is that if you are even if you are even into walking, or if you are a runner, आपके knees जो है बहुत काम कर रहे हैं. And if you want healthy knees for like your later age and stage in life, you need to make sure that you are doing exercises which include a lot of jumping, a lot of movement, side to side movements, all these things. आपके जो hip है, usually hips जो है काफ़ी stiff हो जाते हैं, and that's the reason your squat is not improving, or that's one of the reasons जहाँ पे आप notice कर रहे होगे कि matches में आपका movement भी stiff होता होगा, even though you might be able to run a lot, lift a lot. So your hip mobility basically needs work. All these things being said, point is कि अभी जो है, after 4 days of lifting and doing my cardio, that is running and jogging in the evening, the 5th day I'll be doing plyometrics, mobility and functional. अभी मैं सबको club कर रहा हूँ. Maybe we'll split it. But for now, since I'm just going to do basic beginner exercises, we'll be doing that. सो एनीवेज अभी मैं रेडी होगा जिम के लिए एंड निकलते हैं जिम के लिए. एंड ये सारे जो एक्सरसाइजेज है आई जस्ट फाउंड इट ऑनलाइन, राइट? सो आई एम just recording what exercise I do in the gym, and it might work for you, it might not work for you, but आपके लिए जो बेस्ट चीज़ है आपको वो करना चाहिए. और ये आपको तभी पता चलेगा जब आप अलग एक्सरसाइजेस को ट्राई करोगे. सो डोंट स्टिक टू जस्ट वन प्रोग्राम या वन रूटीन. ट्राई आउट डिफरेंट वर्कआउट्स, तो आपको समझ आएगा कि आपके बॉडी को कौन से एक्सरसाइजेस सूट होते हैं या आपको कौन से एक्सरसाइजेस करना चाहिए अकॉर्डिंग टू योर गोल्स. सो एनीवेज आई विल बी लीविंग फॉर द जिम. अभी मिलते हैं जिम में. Hi everybody, welcome back to this video. जैसे कि आपने देखा, we have completed our workout. Workout के बाद मैं बाहर गया था lunch करने and now I'm back home and I'm getting some work done. But I thought I'll just record this video before we end this video. So जैसे कि आपने देखा आज का workout which included a lot of drills, lot of movements, lot of jumps and so it was a mixture of mobility, of stretching, plyometrics, functional उतना था नहीं because I'm still figuring out which functional exercises I should do because I see a lot of functional exercises on the internet जो कि मैं already बाकी के 4 दिनों पे that is when I'm lifting मैं कर रहा हूँ. So anyways, this is how the 5th day of our training split will look like. 6th day will be a rest day, that means कल एक rest day है, but इस week में मेरे लिए rest day नहीं है because the gym where I'm training is shut on Sunday. So 6 days a week it's open. So I make sure I train 6 days a week. So कल भी हम ये same workout mostly यही same workout करेंगे या फिर थोड़ी variations add करेंगे. Maybe I was thinking of training shoulders tomorrow. So let's see. It will be a last moment decision according to my gut. But anyways, I just want to speak about this workout. ये जो workout आपने देखा बहुत एक beginner level पे है. But धीरे धीरे as we make progress, we'll include those exercises and variations which are the advanced level, and we will also use weights and make sure that we are making good progress. But the most important thing is that this workout say I could already notice a difference in my performance in the football match that I played a few days back, and I feel more agile. I feel my leg strength has also increased, and overall this workout is endurance focused, and it focuses more on your agility, on explosivity, and on your flexibility. So all these 4 things are really important if you are playing any kind of sport, right? Because any sport involves a lot of movement, a lot of power, explosive power is required. So such a workout is definitely needed. और मैं ये workout सिर्फ मेरे knee injury के लिए नहीं कर रहा हूँ. I'm going to carry on doing this workout. Plus I would suggest that only for knee injury or for sports आपको ये workout नहीं करना चाहिए. अगर आप कोई sport खेलते भी नहीं हो, firstly try and find a sport because it's very good to play sports besides like it being good for your physical health, but it's also good for you mentally because you are taking on new challenges, and it builds a lot of ethics, morals, team spirit if it's a team sport. So वो सारी चीज़ें. So firstly find the sport if you can. Secondly, even if you are fit, healthy and doing well with your training and workouts, still try and include this kind of a workout. अगर आप नहीं कर रहे हो, this would be my advice because this is the kind of workout which helps in the longevity of your knees. And knees हम मतलब जो ऐसे joints है जो हम हर एक एक्टिविटी में यूज़ करते हैं because we use it for walking, we use it for squatting, we use it for everything, right? We are always मतलब human body is as such, it's designed that we are most dependent on our feet, and knees are a very important joint. So are your ankles and other joints. But thing is कि अगर आपको healthy knees चाहिए, knees की health की longevity चाहिए, तो such a workout is really good and will be really helpful. So do try it out. इसके अलावा since I'm back home and I think in my previous video the day I trained chest and shoulders मैंने बताया था that I'm consuming 2000 calories and I have been reducing my calories by 100 calories every 3 to 4 weeks. So now the thing is that because of Diwali festival and plus when you are at home you're having home cooked food, कभी बाहर का खाना खा रहे हो, I am eating that in a limit, but some days I am unable to track it, or some days I am indulging in sweet food or foods that I like which might not always be healthy. However इस बार मैंने बहुत control किया है, but so yeah, that's the reason कि मैं बहुत अपना diet showcase नहीं कर रहा हूँ videos में, because I feel that once my diet is completely on track, जो कि most probably next week से हो जाएगा, is when I'll start even showing you all what I am eating in a day in my diet. मेरे डाइट के बारे में वैसे भी मैंने पहले भी वीडियोस बनाया, so it's going to be the same boring diet and yes it does get boring, but अगर आपको results चाहिए so there's no other way, and I do try and make it not boring as much as possible, and I do this by trying different recipes and different healthy foods, but एक पॉइंट के बाद you just have to decide कि these are the foods that you like and are healthy and which help you achieve your goal, and you just have to eat them. There's no other way. And yes, once in a while cheat meal, refeed days, वो सारी चीज़ें तो करने ही हो गए कट में, बिकॉज उसके बिना योर मेटाबॉलिज्म कैन गो फॉर अ टॉस. सो आई एम समवन हु इज़ रियलाइज्ड ओवर टाइम कि जब भी आप डाइट कर रहे हो, सो doing extreme diets or eating very few calories or doing dirty bulks never works. You have to be consistent with your diet. एक sustainable diet चाहिए, and you do need refeed days अगर आप एक कट पे हो to maintain your metabolism. So yeah, I mean अगर आप भी मेरे तरह मतलब दिवाली में you all had a few cheat days or cheat meals, so there's no need to feel guilty about it. Just simply carry on with your same diet, same number of calories जो आप पहले खा रहे थे. Carry on with your workout. No need to reduce the calories or increase your workout unnecessarily. In fact, just carry that and you all will be fine. So आज के वीडियो में बस इतना ही. अभी मैं most probably कुछ काम ख़त्म करके I'll be going for a nice evening jog. Weather भी बहुत अच्छा है. It's quite overcast today. थोड़ी सी बारिश भी हुई है. In fact, the funny thing is that ये महीने में मैंने I think घर आने के बाद 3 सीजन्स एक्सपीरियंस कर लिए हैं. Summers, monsoons and winters. I mean, I don't know what is happening to the weather, but I hope now the winters or the October heat तो हुई ही नहीं, so I hope few days of October heat can be there. I mean वो skip हो गया भी तो चलेगा and we just go into the winters. But yeah, I mean थोड़ी बहुत बारिश हो रही है and the weather is quite peaceful and really good for a jog, क्योंकि AQI जो है is really good. So even yesterday मैं एक jog पर गया था and I managed to run, sorry not yesterday, day before yesterday, and I managed to run 6 kilometers in around 45 to 50 minutes. So I'm also timing my jogs ताकि मैं pace भी थोड़ा increase करूँ. The reason I am doing jogging here is because I'm eating slightly higher number of calories. मुझे पता है कि अगर मैं 2000 ट्रैक कर रहा हूँ तो कहीं ना कहीं वो 100-200 कैलोरीज एक्स्ट्रा ही है, because I'm not tracking the oil or the masala or the smaller foods and ingredients. So that is giving that because of that I have that amount of say glycogen or fat or energy, and my body is able to cope up with it. Plus थोड़ा endurance level भी बढ़ाना था. So and also 3 months, मतलब 3 months में से 2 months at least तो मैंने कुछ movement नहीं किया in terms of walking or jogging. I was just lifting. So I think I have to start jogging, and I do a slow jog and maybe few sprints, and then बीच में मैं चलता भी हूँ. So it's like a mix and it works for me, even though I prefer to run a few kilometers first and then walk and then jog that means. But देखते हैं, let's see. But anyways, I am enjoying it. I feel it's really running is really good for your mental strength as well. I mean, from the point of me making up my mind कि आज मुझे करना है jogging, to putting on the shoes to going there, that's the toughest moment. Then doing the jog is another task, because I am not fond of running or jogging and all, even walking. I started doing these steps and step goals just few years back, maybe 3-4 years back. उसके पहले I would just lift weights, but if you want the results, you have to hit your steps. So anyways, in the evening basically जो jog मेरा होता है उसमें I complete about 6 to 8 k steps. एंड जिस दिन मैं जॉगिंग नहीं जाता हूँ, आइदर इफ इट्स रेनिंग और इफ़ आई एम गोइंग टू प्ले फुटबॉल, एंड फुटबॉल में भी वी प्ले फॉर अबाउट 1 hour, सो उसमें भी अराउंड 8 k steps, 6 to 8 k steps हो जाते हैं. एंड द रेस्ट 3 to 5 thousand steps I am doing normally in the day. So overall we are hitting 10 k steps a day. और बीच में मैं थोड़ा जॉगिंग वगैरह नहीं जा रहा था, बट या ऑन एन एवरेज वी आर डूइंग 8 to 10 k steps. सो काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें अभी ट्रैक पर आ रहे हैं, एंड आई जस्ट होप टू कैरी फॉरवर्ड दिस मोमेंटम. सो अभी आई विल बी कैरिंग ऑन विथ माई वर्क एंड अदर टास्क, एंड दैट्स इट फॉर दिस वीडियो. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में. टिल देन, स्टे सेफ एंड स्टे स्ट्रॉन्ग.